Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about the imperfections in the crystalline solids. Okay. We very well know that the crystalline solids are of the long range order. What does it mean? Long range order. It means that whatever the arrangement of the particles, ions or atoms, molecules, whatever the arrangement, here it is maintained for the whole crystal. Okay, if the same arrangement which is here we found here also, at that time the crystal is called the perfect solid. Okay, means the same arrangement is maintained, but actually in practical it is not so, because generally the solids are prepared at three rates. It may be prepared at fast rate, moderate rate, and third one extremely slow rate. Okay. When we are preparing the solids at fast rate or moderate rate, so the imperfection during the arrangement of the particles is created. These imperfections are called the defects. Okay. So how can we find the perfect solid which has no any imperfections or which has no any मिसिंग अरेंजमेंट? ओके, जिसके अरेंजमेंट में कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो या कोई किसी भी प्रकार का चेंज ना हो, तो वी कैन फाइंड सच टाइप ऑफ क्रिस्टल बाय प्रिपेयरिंग द सॉलिड एट एक्सट्रीमली स्लो रेट. ओके, एंड इट इज एक्सपेक्टेड व्हेन द सॉलिड इज prepared at extremely slow rate, we will have the solid which has no any imperfections. So, but practically it is found that still it contains some defects, still it contains some imperfections. Yes, ये जरूर है कि when the solid is prepared at extremely slow rate, the number of defects and number of imperfections are in very low quantity. Okay, yeah, low number. Is it clear? So in general, here we will discuss the defects which are present in the crystalline solids. So these defects are generally can be divided two types. First one, that is point defect, and second one line defect. Okay, here we will discuss, or in this syllabus we will discuss only about the point defects. Point defects can be defined as the defects which is the imperfections in the solid around a particular point, or you can say around a particular lattice point. Okay, means particular lattice point के around में if any defect is found, if any imperfection in solid is found, that defect will be called the point defect. And similarly the line defect may also be defined, that the imperfections around a line, okay, around a particular line, if it is found, then that defect will be called the line defect. Here we will discuss only the point defects. Okay, in general the point defects may be divided into three parts. Okay, these three types are: first one, the stoichiometric defect. Second one, the impurity defect. And third one is non-stoichiometric defect. So these may be defined in very simple way. The stoichiometric point defects are those defects in which the stoichiometry of the crystal is maintained. Stoichiometry means the ratio of the cations and anions is maintained. Okay. Impurity defects are those defects which is created due to the presence of impurity, presence of the some other ions which may be decided as an impurity in the particular crystal. For example, in the crystal of sodium chloride, if some strontium ions occupy some places, so here the strontium ions will be called the impurities. Okay. And third one, the non-stoichiometric defects. These defects are those defects in which the stoichiometry is not maintained, means the ratio of the cations and anions is disturbed. Okay. So here we will discuss one by one. So first of all, we will discuss the stoichiometric defects. Okay. These stoichiometric defects may be divided into 4 types. Okay. First one is called the vacancy defect. This is generally found in non-ionic compounds. For example, if we have a crystal like this, okay, suppose this is a crystal, and if some particles are missing from their positions, okay, suppose this ion is missing from here, so this is called the vacancy, and the defect created by such type of vacancy is called the vacancy defect. Okay. And the result toward the density due to this vacancy defect is the decrease. Okay, means due to the presence of this vacancy defect, the density of the crystal is decreased. Okay. Second one, this is called interstitial defect. Second, interstitial defect. This type of defect is also found in the non-ionic compounds or non-ionic crystals. Okay. In this type of defect, suppose we have a crystal like this. In this type of crystal, an extra particle gets the position in the interstitial sites. Okay. Suppose an extra particle is present here. So these are called the interstitial sites, and this atom is filled in the interstitial sites, means the number of atoms or number of particles is increased than the number of the particles which are expected from it. Okay, that's why the density of such crystals is increased. Okay, कहने का मतलब ये है कि due to the presence of this defect, means in which the some atoms or particles occupy the interstitial sites, due to this defect, in all the number of particles are increased, so the density is also increased. Okay. Now the next one is called the Frankel defect. Third one is Frankel defect. This type of defect is found in the ionic compound, okay, or the crystals of the ionic compound, okay, and this may also be defined as the dislocation defect due to the dislocation of some ions from its original position. Okay, for example, we have a crystal like this. कैटायन एनायन इस तरीके से. This is the perfect crystal this time. Okay, suppose this ion, this cation, generally cation dislocates from its original position because the size of the cation is generally smaller and it gets the position in the interstitial sides of the crystal. Okay, कहने का मतलब ये जनरली कैटायन अपनी ओरिजिनल जगह से डिस्प्लेस होता है, डिसलोकेट होता है, एंड इट ऑक्यूपाई सम प्लेसेज एट द इंटरस्टिशियल साइड्स, क्योंकि पार्टिकल्स के बीच में कहीं इस जगह को ऑक्यूपाई करता है. सपोज इट डिसलोकेट्स फ्रॉम हियर एंड इट गेट द पोजीशन हियर. ओके, so this cation is dislocated from its original position and gets the place in the interstitial sides. Okay, so this defect is called the dislocation defect also, and its name is Frankel defect. Okay, or effect upon the density, no effect upon density because the number of particles remains same. सिर्फ it loses its original position and gets the position in the interstitial side, so there is no effect upon the density. Is it clear? Many types of particles like zinc sulfide, silver chloride, silver bromide, silver iodide. In these crystals we find the Frankel defect. तो Frankel defect में क्या होता है, अपनी ओरिजिनल पोजीशन को छोड़ के इंटरस्टिशियल साइड्स में जनरली कैटायंस जाते हैं. ओके, अब यहाँ पे क्योंकि जिंक जो है Zn2+, इसका साइज छोटा होगा, ऐसे ही इनका, क्योंकि कैटायंस का साइज स्मॉलर होने की वजह से it is easy to occupy the interstitial sides. Okay, the next one is Schottky defect. Okay, the second type of defect found in the ionic crystals is called the Schottky defect. Okay, now look what happens in such type of defects. Very simple. Suppose this is our crystal, a normal perfect crystal. Okay, this is also found in the compounds of the ionic crystals. Okay, this is perfect crystal. Okay, every ion is at its proper place. Okay, now suppose one cation is missing from its position. Okay, this cation is missing. Okay. Now, in this defect, in ionic compound, the electrical neutrality is also to be maintained. So, to maintain the electrical neutrality, one cation also missing from somewhere. Okay. So, one cation is missing, one anion is missing. So, as a result, the total mass is decreased. That's why the density is also decreased. तो क्या कहेंगे हम शॉर्ट की डिफेक्ट में कैटाइंस एंड एनाइंस इन द सेम नंबर मिसिंग देयर ओरिजिनल प्लेसेज मिसिंग फ्रॉम देयर प्लेसेज ओके दैट्स व्हाई द इलेक्ट्रिकल न्यूट्रलिटी इज still maintained and the total mass is decreased, so the density of such crystals is also decreased. Okay, so this type of can be found in the chlorides of the alkali metals. Okay, like sodium chloride, potassium chloride, cesium chloride, and one more question which is generally asked in the exam, silver bromide. क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है which compound generally show both type of the defect, which is known as Schottky defect and the Frankel defect. So your answer will be silver bromide. This silver bromide show the both type of defect, Schottky defect as well as Frankel defect. Is it clear? Now next is the impurity defect. Okay, second number, impurity defect. We have already discussed that what is impurity defect. The defects which is created due to the presence of some impurity in the original crystal is known as the impurity defect. Okay, here we will take the example of the crystal of the sodium chloride. Okay, suppose we have this crystal. NaCl minus Na plus Cl minus Na plus Cl minus Na plus Cl minus Na plus Cl minus Cl minus. Okay. So suppose we have this type of crystals. Okay. या इस तरीके से हाँ ठीक. इसमें अगर हम किसी इम्प्योरिटी को ऐड कर दें, सपोज हम इसको स्ट्रोंशियम क्लोराइड के साथ में हीट करें, तो स्ट्रोंशियम आयंस जिनके पास में +2 चार्ज है, दिस रिप्लेसेज सम सोडियम आयंस, कुछ सोडियम आयंस को रिप्लेस करेंगे. ठीक है ना. सोडियम आयंस को रिप्लेस करने पे क्या होगा कि अब यहां तो इसके दिस स्ट्रोंशियम हैज अ +2 चार्ज, दिस कैन रिप्लेस 2 sodium ions. Okay, so suppose these 2 sodium ions are missing. Okay, so at the place of 1 sodium ion, this strontium ion can occupy, but the second position, this remains vacant. Okay, so this is called the vacancy. ठीक है ना. Is it clear? So due to the presence of some impurity, the cationic vacancies are created. Cations missing, cation की जगह पर vacancy है, that's why it is called the cationic vacancy. अच्छा, यहाँ हम देख सकते हैं कि only one strontium ion enters in the crystal, so it produces one cationic vacancy. Okay, because the difference in between the cation of the original crystal and the charge upon this impurity ion is 1. That's why one vacancy, one cationic vacancy will be created by the addition of one cation. Okay, suppose हम इसको एल्यूमिनियम आयन से रिप्लेस करें. Okay, so this one aluminum ion can replace the 3 sodium ions. That's why, okay, so addition of one aluminum ion creates 2 vacancy, 2 cationic vacancy. Is it clear? So this type of defect is called the impurity defect. Now next type of defect is known as the non-stoichiometric defect. Third type of defect is non-stoichiometric defect. अगर हम सिंपली इसको डिफाइन करें तो वेरी सिंपल टू डिफाइन द डिफेक्ट्स इन विच द स्टोइकियोमेट्री इज नॉट मेंटेन या स्टोइकियोमेट्री of the crystal is violated. Such defects are called the non-stoichiometric defects. Okay, this type of defects can be divided into 2 parts. First one, the metal excess defect. And second one, metal deficiency defect. बहुत सिंपल है. मेटल एक्सेस we will discuss one by one. In fact, we will discuss the metal excess defect. This metal excess defects can be created by 2 types. First one, due to the excess in the metal, due to extra metal ion. To understand this type of defect, we take the crystal of the sodium chloride. Okay, suppose we have this crystal of sodium chloride. Na plus Cl minus Cl minus Na plus Cl minus Na plus Na plus Cl minus Na plus Cl minus. Okay, now suppose this is the crystal of the perfect crystal of the sodium chloride. Now if this crystal is heated in the environment of the sodium, सोडियम के एनवायरनमेंट में इसको हम हीट करते हैं, तो नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस, द सम क्लोराइड आयंस या यूं कहें these sodium ions are deposited at the periphery of this crystal. इस क्रिस्टल के पेरीफेरी पे डिपॉजिट हो जाते हैं. ओके, नाउ सम क्लोराइड आयंस और यू कैन से सम एनाइंस, ठीक है ना, these migrate from the crystal and comes at the surface of the crystal. Okay, now these chloride ions comes at the surface of the crystal and these combines with sodium ion. Suppose this chloride ion is coming at the surface and it is combining with this sodium ion. Okay, sodium atom. Okay, now for this sodium atom to combine with this chloride ion, it will have to lose one electron. Okay, it will have to lose one electron. Suppose this loses one electron. Okay, इसमें से एक इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज हुआ. So this chloride ions combine with this sodium ion and Cl minus ion. So NaCl is deposited at the surface. Now this electron which is donated by the sodium atom to make the sodium ion, this migrates inside the crystal and occupies the places which is left by the chloride ion. Okay, so these electrons which is present at the anionic vacancy, जहां से anion ने अपना place lose किया है, it is occupied by these electrons. So these electrons are called F centers. What is the name for these electrons which occupy the anionic vacancies? Are called F centers, and the colors of the crystals are due to the F centers. When these are excited, when some light is incidented upon the crystal, these electrons absorb the light and the particular light is liberated, which is the color of the particular color of the crystal. For example, the sodium chloride, the color of the sodium chloride crystal is found yellow. Okay. Similarly, the lithium chloride, this appears as pink color, and similarly when potassium chloride is heated in the presence of the potassium atoms, okay, so this appears like violet. तो इस तरीके से अल्टीमेटली हम कह सकते हैं इधर one sodium atom is added to the crystal which is entered from outside. So overall we can say the metal increases, the number of metal comes in the axis. That's why it is called the metal axis defect. Okay, and in second way, the metal axis defect can be found in this way. For this, we take the example of the zinc oxide. When zinc oxide, here the stoichiometry is maintained. When zinc oxide is heated, its color is white. Its color is white. Okay. When it is heated, so what happens? It loses the oxygen. Okay. Oxygen loses. So oxygen is liberated from the crystal. So ultimately we can say the metal ion comes in the axis. So in this way the metal also can come in axis. Okay. Or due to the liberation of oxygen from the zinc oxide, the color becomes yellow. Is it clear? Now we will discuss the next type of defect, that is the non-stoichiometric defect due to the deficiency of the metal atom or metal ion. Okay. Now look. Second one, defect due to deficiency in number of metal atoms. So in this way the stoichiometry is violated, and इस टाइप का डिफेक्ट जनरली उसमें पाया जाता है इन विद द मेटल शो द वेरिएबल वैलेंसी. फॉर एग्जांपल हम आयरन लेते हैं, आयरन ऑक्साइड, so this is FeO. Okay, in this FeO this iron is in the +2 oxidation state. Okay, the ratio of the oxygen atoms and the iron atoms is 1:1. Is it clear? अब जरा देखिए इसमें कि जो Fe आयंस है, दिस Fe आयंस इज आल्सो इन द +3 oxidation state. Okay, so we cannot stop them to occupy some places. Okay, so some places of the Fe2 plus ions are replaced by the Fe3 plus ions. Okay, so in this way the overall ratio of the metal atom to the oxygen atom is decreased. Okay, मतलब जो यहाँ पे +2 है, अब मैं इसको एक जनरल वे में लेता हूं, जैसे हम 3 एटम्स लेते हैं Fe +2 एंड +2. ओके, नाउ इफ Fe ions are coming there, so only 3 Fe plus 3 ions can replace these 3 ferrous ions. Okay, these ferric ions, 2 ferric ions replace the 3 ferrous ions. Okay, so ultimately we can say the number of iron ions is decreased, so the ratio of the iron ions to the oxygen ions is decreased. Okay, so in this way, so this defect is called the defect due to the deficiency in the number of the metal atom. So these are the total number of imperfections in solids. हम एक बार दोबारा रिकॉल करें तो इन ऑल हम कह सकते हैं कि देर आर 2 टाइप ऑफ डिफेक्ट्स, पॉइंट डिफेक्ट्स, लाइन डिफेक्ट्स. एक पॉइंट या लैटिस पॉइंट के अराउंड में जो डिफेक्ट्स मिलते हैं सॉलिड्स में, दे आर कॉल्ड द पॉइंट डिफेक्ट्स. ओके, पॉइंट डिफेक्ट्स में आगे बात करते हैं तो दीज आर 3 टाइप्स: स्टोकियोमेट्रिक डिफेक्ट, impurity defect and the non-stoichiometric defect. Stoichiometric defects are those defects in which the stoichiometry is maintained. इसमें हमने डिस्कस किए थे vacancy defect and the interstitial defect. Vacancy defects and interstitial defects, these defects are found in the non-ionic compounds. Okay, vacancy defects में जो डेंसिटी है दैट इज डिक्रीज. इंटरस्टिशियल डिफेक्ट्स में जो वैकेंसी है दैट वो डेंसिटी है दैट इज इंक्रीज. फिर उसके बाद में फ्रैंकल डिफेक्ट्स एंड द शॉर्टकी डिफेक्ट. फ्रैंकल डिफेक्ट दिस इज आल्सो नोन एज डिसलोकेशन डिफेक्ट. एंड शॉर्टकी डिफेक्ट में कैटायंस एंड एनायंस आर मिसिंग फ्रॉम देयर प्लेसेस इन सेम नंबर. ओके, देन इम्प्योरिटी डिफेक्ट, इम्प्योरिटी की वजह से जो डिफेक्ट है. और देन नॉन स्टोकियोमेट्रिक डिफेक्ट जो कि मेटल एक्सेस डिफेक्ट और मेटल डेफिशिएंसी की वजह से जो डिफेक्ट्स हैं. सो इन ऑल दीज आर द इम्परफेक्शन इन द क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड्स. थैंक यू.